So world, I'm going to dye my hair light blonde using Ionic Shine Shades. Last video I said I was going to go copper. Finally, I've been saying that for a couple of months. But I remembered it's Barbie movie month and I want to stay blonde for the Barbie movie. I have a whole outfit planned, so I have super light blonde hair right now. I gotta bleach my roots too. I also said in previous videos I want to do a shadow root. That's gonna wait as well. Right now we're gonna try light blonde, see how that works. Normally I use this dye in the shade Iridescent Blonde Plus, I think it's called. It's like the lightest shade they have. So here's the thing about Chi. They are horrible with showing you swatches. They don't have swatches on Sally Beauty. They don't have them in store. They don't have them on the Chi website. So you're basically just going in blind, hoping for the best. I think I hit the jackpot with the Iridescent Blonde Plus. I really like that color, so hopefully this light blonde is also nice. We'll see how it looks, I guess. So stay tuned if you wanted to go light blonde and you have no idea what this is supposed to look like. We're gonna figure it out together. But step one, we bleach these roots. I did a quick wardrobe change. This is not my bathroom. I am house sitting right now. So if you hear any noises, it's dogs. I'm dog sitting. If you hear any barking, it's probably thundering, lightning, and raining because that's what it's been doing for the past couple of hours. And these dogs do not like that noise, so let's hope for the best. So let's get started with this Blue Flash bleach by Salon Care. And I've got some 20 developer from Salon Care. I normally have a kitchen scale with me to measure this all out, but I do not have that here, so we're just gonna eyeball it. Usually the consistency is that of like marshmallow fluff, so this is a 1:2 ratio. So this is 1 ounce of bleach. We're gonna do 2 ounces, or hopefully get as close to 2 ounces as we can. Okay, let's hope that's good enough. I can always add a little bit more. Let's put my gloves on. We'll get started. I have 2 dogs sleeping over here by my feet, wondering what the heck I'm doing. Clearly got a purple tint in my hair. That's probably the purple shampoo. Just clung to the blonde a little bit. We'll start underneath. Seems to be the easiest thing to do. Okay, I skipped filming the bleach application because I've done that a million times and it's pretty self-explanatory. You just put the bleach in your hair. I'm horrible at sectioning my hair, so it's always a bit of a mess, but I'm pretty sure I got all the spots, and if I didn't, oh well, we're just gonna put that on the back burner and it'll be a problem for another day. So now we're gonna wait 20 minutes or so and we're gonna wash this out. And I'm gonna try to find a blow dryer. I normally let it air dry. I usually just go to sleep and let it air dry and then dye it in the morning or the next day, but I don't feel like doing that because tomorrow is my birthday and I got plans and I don't want to have to dye my hair, so I'm going to try to find a blow dryer. We're just going to dye it tonight as well. Okay. Okay, I washed it out and I don't know what happened. Maybe I just didn't have enough bleach, although I thought I did. But some of it stayed brown, which is weird. I'm pretty sure I did a good job with the bleach. I don't know what happened. But this is my thoughts. I had more root than normal, so I probably should have bought 2 packets of bleach instead of 1, but oh well. we're gonna put the blonde hair dye over it anyway and see what happens. All's well that ends well, and if it doesn't end well, then oh well. I'll figure it out. It's no big deal. If I have to go back to Sally Beauty in like 2 days, then I will. I don't really care. We'll see. We'll just see what happens from here. But I also decided I'm gonna cut my hair. And I don't have my normal hair cutting scissors, so I'm just gonna use these kitchen scissors that I found in this lady's kitchen. So I hate long hair. My hair is not long, let's be honest. But I got hair in my mouth. But it's so hot here in Florida right now. Talking like close to 100 degrees with very high humidity, and just any amount of shoulder length hair or longer is exhausting. So this is gonna go. I'm not gonna cut off that much. Lighting's so bad all of a sudden. It wasn't that bad when I started recording, but it's a horrible angle. This is literally perched on like 5 different tissue boxes and a thing of dog food, so. We will fix that up in a second. These are really not great scissors, but will do in a pinch. Is this gonna be even? No. Is it gonna be presentable? Who knows? Do I care? No. If I cared, I'd go to a salon. That's not gonna happen. I like my hair cutting scissors because I can cut like this up and down. It's so much easier. Can't really do that well with these. Trying to make it choppy and look. I don't want a blunt bob. I want a choppy bob. Something that looks intentionally uneven, because it's going to be unintentionally uneven. So if you can make it look intentional, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter if the front and the back are even, because a lot of bobs are either longer in the front or longer in the back. Whatever. It's probably going to be longer in the back. That's fine. Okay, now to make the right side match the left side. Best of luck to me. This actually doesn't look that bad. My hair is never like parted in the middle in general, always parted on the side. And so it doesn't really matter if it's perfectly straight or not, you probably won't be able to tell. So it's still a bit longer. Is my head on straight? My head never looks straight. Alright, I don't know if it's even or not. It doesn't look that bad from the front. I don't have a mirror to look behind me. So we're just gonna blow dry it and we're gonna dye it blonde and hope it doesn't come out too patchy. I'll probably have to go back to Sally Beauty. Oh well. Maybe I should do my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry my hair now. Hopefully it doesn't freak out the dogs. Like the lady from American Horror Story. Right, with the red hair. Oh, poofy. Oh, I can really tell where it's not even. Trying to find an angle where it's not all orange. Okay. So we're gonna mix a 1-to-1 ratio. We're gonna mix a 1-to-1 ratio of this and hope that it doesn't turn out too blotchy. I know the Blonde Iridescent Plus has toner in it. I don't think this one does, so you should probably normally tone whatever you bleach before you dye it. But I don't got toner with me, so we're just experimenting. Also, the feeling of hair on my skin is horrible. I hate it. Hopefully I have enough. It might be awkward if I didn't have enough bleach and I didn't have enough dye. Going to Sally Beauty first thing in the morning. It's extra hard to do this when you can barely see without your glasses on. My eyes already hurt. And I'm struggling to see. Okay, I'm done. I got some extra, which is a good thing because if I missed a spot, I can go back over it and hope for the best. There will probably be some brown patches right here, but like I said, I can fix that at a later date. Can't wait to see what this looks like. I'm gonna leave it in my hair for like, I think it's at 45 minutes, something like that, and see you soon. I have so much hair to clean up. My hands are all messy. You should probably wear gloves. Okay, here I am the next morning. This is what it looks like. You can kind of see a line of demarcation there, but it's not that big of a deal. The actual blonde color down here is pretty nice. I kinda sort of wish it were a little bit darker, but it's not. It's darker than the platinum that I had before. So maybe in like a week or two I'll go back to Sally Beauty and I'll get a toner. I'll try to fix that. I definitely should have bought a toner. I completely forgot because I'm used to having the Chi color that I normally use have the toner in it. So I wasn't thinking about that. It's my birthday. Wish me a happy birthday. Now let's go and celebrate